Chapter 165, I'm not playing anymore. 1. On the referee's stand, Hikai glared at Zutui. His eyes were filled with anger. He was so angry that he wanted to kill Zutui. He was a referee. He was a professor from the prestigious New India Genetic Evolution College. He, a powerful genetic evolver, had been fooled by a student from the Wuxia Genetic Evolution College. That was right, he had completely figured it out. That flying sword had created such a huge commotion just to attract his attention. He had been fooled by Zutun in front of the entire world. At this moment, the entire Blue Star had viewers who were watching this battle through various channels. It was not an exaggeration to say that. This was a disgrace. When he returned to the India sector, he would be mocked by others. If this was the India sector, Hikai would have found an opportunity to kill this student who dared to toy with him in front of the entire world after today's actual combat. Unfortunately, this was Wuxia. Wuxia had the best security in Blue Star. He was in the capital of the Wuxia sector, the capital. Even if he had 10 guts, he would not dare to mess around in the capital. However, Hikai hated Zutun to the core. At the leader's seat, the faces of the relevant personnel from the India sector were extremely dark. In the 4 battles, they lost 3 rounds. 2 of the participants were killed on the spot. On the other hand, the Wuxia sector had only lost 1 participant. Their advantage was obvious. The officials from the Wuxia sector still had faint smiles on their faces. They were happy, but they didn't show that in front of everyone. It was infuriating. However, Zutui's performance still amazed them. Those who could sit in that position were either old foxes or wise people. They had long understood that Zutui's extremely powerful flying sword's goal was to attract the attention of the referee, Hikai. It had to be known that in such an actual battle, especially since India sector had used such a shameless method, where a third-year student had used the name of a second-year student to fight. Under such circumstances, it would not be easy to win, not to mention killing his opponent. That was basically impossible. As casualties began to appear in the actual combat competition, the referees on duty on both sides were doing their best to guard against them. They were trying to protect the lives of their students without affecting the actual combat competition. Therefore, Hikai was able to intervene immediately and block Zutui's flying sword. However, Zutui, a student, had even considered the reaction of the referee outside the arena. He had made use of this opportunity to arrange a battle plan. He had killed Saluka in one fell swoop with the intervention of the referee outside the arena. A second-year student of the New India Genetic Evolution College who was actually a third-year student and was also a level E genetic mutant. This student is very intelligent. Not only is he strong, but he's also very smart. I saw from the information that he's only a freshman, right? Your Wuxia Genetic Evolution College has nurtured a good seedling. An official from the Wuxia Genetic Committee praised him on the spot. He is a good seedling, but it will take some time for him to fully mature. Wen Xinglan, the principal of the Wuxia Genetic Evolution College, was very satisfied with Zutui's performance today. He had schemed against the referee outside the arena and took the opportunity to kill Saluka. This move was really amazing. Not bad indeed. Vice Chairman Liu, who was also a member of the Wuxia Genetic Committee and the Vice Chairman of the Genetic Research Institute, was also full of praise. He has brains and spirituality. His mind power is also very strong. His talent should also be very powerful. Whose student is he? I want to take him in. Vice Chairman Liu of the Genetic Research Institute was not speaking without thinking. Not only was he a member of the Wuxia Genetic Committee, but he was also the Vice Chairman of the Genetic Research Institute. He had also been a part-time professor at the Wuxia Genetic Evolution College. He would occasionally come to the Wuxia Genetic Evolution College to give lectures to the senior students. He rarely brought students along. Normally, the Wuxia Genetic Evolution College would definitely approve of him teaching students. At this moment, Vice Chairman Liu's words really showed his appreciation for talent. However, Wen Xinglan, the principal of the Wuxia Genetic Evolution College, smiled when he heard that. Old Liu, I'm afraid it's too late for you to appreciate talent. It's already too late? Has he been specially recruited? Tell me, which brat recruited him? I'll go look for him. Vice Chairman Lu did not really want to accept Zhu Tui as his student. However, Wen Xinglin's words made him a little angry. He wanted to show off his powerful influence. The professors of the Wuxia Genetic Evolution College were all Lu Guangqing's juniors. The one who specially recruited this student is Zhao Soxui from Research Institute number 14. Wen Xinglin looked at Lu Guangqing and said with a smile. Lu Guangqing's expression immediately twisted abnormally when he heard the words Research Institute number 14 and Zhao Soxui. Actually, it was because he was too forgetful. The last time he called Zhao Soxui, he did not care about the name of the student that Zhao Soxui mentioned. Lu Guangqing laughed dryly and said, "He's Zhao Xu's specially recruited student. It looks like he has already produced some results. I'm getting old. I can't go around picking peaches." Ha 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 ha. Principal Wen Xinglin also chuckled. After he finished laughing, Wen Xinglin suddenly said, "Old Lu, to be honest, I have the same thoughts as you.